In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a download resource Mailerlite. First, you will log into your Mailerlite account. On your screen, go to the Mailerlite login page, then enter your login details and sign in. Once you are inside your dashboard, take a moment to confirm that you are in the correct workspace for the account where you want to set up your download resource. This step matters because your form settings and links will be tied to the account you are currently using. Next, navigate to the section for Forms Promotion Embedded Click Form. In your dashboard menu, look for the area that relates to forms, and then find the specific view for a promotion embedded click form. When you open that, you should see the form list or the editing area where you can select the form you want to work on. This is where you will connect your download experience to the success moment that happens after someone submits the form. After you locate the right form page, open the settings or configuration for your form or page. Depending on your screen layout, you might see a tab labeled Settings or a panel labeled Configuration. Click into that area now so you can adjust what happens after the form is submitted. This step matters because the download link needs to be shown at the correct point in the user journey, right after the form submission. Now locate the success message at the top. This is typically a section that controls the message shown after someone clicks Submit and the form is processed. Make sure you are looking at the correct part of the settings, because the success message is what your audience will read right after they provide their information. Once you find it, you can use this space to prompt the visitor to download your resource. Next, create a text link or button labeled Download. In the success message area, you will add a call to action that clearly tells the visitor what to do next. You can choose to format it as a clickable text link or as a button, depending on what the editor supports in that section. The key detail is that the label should clearly say Download, so there is no confusion about what the visitor should click. Take a moment to confirm the label displays exactly as you want it to appear. After that, you will insert the URL link to your hosted file. This is the location where your download resource is stored online, so when the visitor clicks the link, the file opens or downloads. In the editor for the download link or button, select the option to insert or set the link, then paste the URL for your hosted file into the link field. Be sure you insert the correct link and that it matches the file you want people to receive. If your platform shows a link preview, check that it looks correct before you save. Once you have added the hosted file link, review the success message content as a whole. Confirm that the download link or button appears in the success message at the top area you located earlier and that it is connected to the correct URL. If there is a save or update button in this section, click it to apply your changes. This ensures your form now delivers the right download action for anyone who completes the submission. Finally, you should be ready to test the flow. Use the form preview or test submission option if it is available on your screen. When you submit the form, verify that the success message appears with the download link or button and that clicking it takes you to the hosted file. This final check prevents broken links and confirms the download works as expected. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.